Greetings traders, it is Tuesday, June 5th, 2018, and I'm going to get started trading here. And as soon as I see a code entry, I will take it and I'll be back to show it to you. Okay, I've got a short position here, I'll be right back. Okay, the stop is set up to 64.65, and of course the exit is at 40 ticks down to 64.12. So anyway, I will come back and show you the progression and or at least the outcome of this trade. But this trade was called out in advance before it ever would happen within my charting service. This is a code 2 trade. Anyway, I will come back. Oh, by the way, for you charting subscribers out there, take a look at the daily. That's what it looks like right there. So you can see what it's looking like at entry. And it's basically doing, so far it's doing exactly what I said it would, but you know, still got a ways to go before it would do exactly what I said, but so far so good. Anyway, I will come back. It's going against me right now. If it does hit the stop, I will take a long position, and because it'll be going up if it hits the stop. Anyway, I'll come back. Okay, it has hit the stop and I took a long position. I'm now in the long position here. Gonna go for, well, let me calculate this. I might be able to get more than 40 ticks. What it looks like it's gonna do here is it's gonna come all the way back up and actually go green on the daily. So it's got quite a ways to go. Let's see, what's the range on this thing? The high is 65.29 and I'm in at 67. Yeah, we're looking at like at least a 60 tick trade here. Yeah, I'm going to go for more ticks. I got it at 40 right now. I'm going to adjust it. I will come back. I've got a 50 tick exit on this and it's almost there. 17 is the exit right there. And it just went to 16. What does the code say? I'll be right back. Okay, I've just moved the exit up to 25 from 17, so I'm going for a little bit more. 16 is now the high, made it one tick away from my exit. I am going to get out though if it goes, standby. If it hits 06, I'm going to jump out. Be right back. Okay, I had to jump out right there. Let me go take a better look at the code here and see what it looks like it's doing. Anyway, I made it one tick away from my exit. I had a 50 tick exit on it. One tick away, I didn't get it. Anyway, one tick. I will be back shortly. I might take another trade. Anyway, taking a look at the daily, you can see it's now green. And there's a good chance it's going to continue to move up here and maybe go green to the very, very top of the chart there, or close to it, or maybe even go a little higher. But so I could have held on to it and probably have gotten it, my exit, but it just looks like the code, it could be rolling over here too. So instead of just paying attention to just the chart, you need to pay attention to the code as well. And we have a code that might be doing a rollover here, but I can't tell yet. Anyway, I'll come back. Well, anyway, after taking a loss on the first trade and then coming back and hitting this trade right there, I'm going to call it a day, Tuesday, and I'll be back for tomorrow to trade the news, which is always a nice little trade. And I will do the charting and predict it for the news day, of course. I hope all of you code traders out there are doing really well in your trading. And for those of you who are not code traders, I hope you're being inspired to become one. And I will see all of you charting subscribers for the charting service, the next one, to predict Wednesday's trade. Okay, everyone. Hope you're doing well. Happy trading out there.